Marauders, welcome back to the channel. Before I took delivery of my RZR Trail Ultimate, I knew I had to replace the stock tires. The dealer had Maxis Bighorn 2.0 tires in stock, and I had this on my first Sport side-by-side Can-Am Maverick. Then I had these tires on my RZR XP 1000 and also on RZR XP Turbo. And I knew the tire was a good trail tire. I did not know how it would perform in the mud, but I knew it had to be better than the stock tires on the machine. And let me tell you, the combination of the Maxis Bighorn 2.0 tires and the limited slip, the all-wheel drive on the RZR Trail Ultimate, it's a great combination. The machine with this tire continues to impress me. I'll catch up to you a little later in the video. Hope you enjoy it and agree with my opinion. Thank you.
This is one wet ride. Oh my God, what a rut ride. Look at this rut. Watch it on my leg. Don't push too. Dave, wait.
So I was following Dave all day, and he was picking great lines, and I was usually taking his line, and he picked a bad one. He accidentally straddled the low section of a rut with the high side of the rut, and his ATV was tipping, threw him off the ATV. He fell off the ATV, and the ATV was leaning over on top of him, balancing on the two tires that it was on. He was holding it up with an arm.
Hold on.
And I had to run and get off my machine and then try to tip the machine back on all four tires.
Can you drive it?
And when we were doing that, my legs were under the machine. I had to tell him to stop so I could get my legs and feet out from under the machine. And then I basically got on the floorboard and drove the machine out of the rut. So it's just how we look out for each other on the trail. Hope you enjoy the video.
Not a good spot. I'm not going to try to do a 360 video here. Very worried about Dave. Okay. Let's hope she can get in and out of this hole. I can't even open the door for help.
Shout out to Capper Outdoors and the rest of you trying to film adventure videos in your side-by-sides, ATVs, tractors, or excavators. Might be just Joe Capper and I. So this is how I shoot the video, the external shots of my machines on the trail or in my yard. This is a GoPro Max 360 camera mounted on a 102-inch carbon fiber pole, and the software in the camera edits out the pole so you don't see it. And I think it's a nice change in scenery. I like different shots and camera angles when I do videos, and this is basically how I do it. I'm actually holding this pole either out my side window or the front of the machine, trying to avoid leaves and trees and other machines on the trail while I take the video. So I mounted these tires on the stock rims. They're 12-inch rims. The front rims I think are 6 inches in width. The rears are probably 8s. And the front tires are 27 by 9s, and the rear tires are 27 by 11 inches, and it's an awesome combination.
I think I'm just going to go right through it. looks a little nasty. Man, what a machine.
Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you ride moto sports off-road, please wear a helmet for your protection. Set an example for others. Please, let's pray for our military soldiers around the world. Please keep them in your hearts and minds, and I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless.